Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Eric Von Kimbo. We are going through one of my favorite rock songs of all time. This is Crazy Train by Ozzy Osborne, played by Randy Rhoads. There's also Zakk Wylde, the great Zakk Wylde, playing this as well in some of Ozzy's more current stuff. But originally it was Randy Rhoads who really made this progression famous. So we're just going to be going over the intro to it right now. I could go through more parts of it, but because this is beginning guitar and we want to get you guys rocking out really quickly, I just want to show you the intro because the intro has a few tricks in it too that I think will really help you along in your guitar journey. It has some really interesting picking movements in it, and it's very cool to play. I love playing this progression, and once you get this part down, you can really feel good about yourself as an accomplishment in playing guitar. So we're gonna get started with this one. This is Randy Rhoads playing. Well, this is us playing "Crazy Train" by Ozzy Osbourne and Randy Rhoads. This key, the key, I want to say is F sharp minor. Should also give you the A major, but we'll talk about keys a little later. Let's get to the meat and potatoes, right? So we're starting on F sharp, which is the second fret, sixth fret. Second, the sixth string, second fret, and I'm hitting that twice. And then what we're doing is forming our power chord. So you hit it twice, and then you're playing your power chord, which is the fifth string, fourth fret. So, excuse me. Right? So you're going to go two times on your sixth string, then one time on your fifth string on the fourth fret, and then come back to your sixth string. And then you'll go and do it again. So you're going to go up one fret and use your pinky. And go up to that fifth fret, fifth string, fifth fret. So two times on sixth string, second fret, then one time on the fifth string, fourth fret, then back to the sixth string, second fret, and then one time on the fifth string, fifth fret. And then you're gonna come back to the fourth. You hit it one time on the sixth string, and then come back to the fourth fret on the fifth string. Right? So let's just do that part. 1, 2. All right. So two times on the sixth string, one time on the fourth. One time on the sixth string, one time on the fifth string, fifth fret. One time on the sixth string, and then one time on the fourth. So that's the next part. So what I'm doing right there is fifth string, second fret. And sixth string, fifth fret, then fourth fret. So 5, 4, 5. So and then I go back to that fifth string, second fret. So I do hit this one right after too. So I hit it at the beginning, fifth string, second fret. And then for that last part, I'm going fifth fret, fourth fret, and open, all on the sixth string. So sixth string, fifth fret, sixth string, fourth fret, and sixth string, open. So the last part is fifth string, second fret, sixth string, fifth fret, fourth fret, fifth fret, back to the fifth string, second fret, then sixth string, fifth fret, fourth fret, and you just run it again, second fret, chord to an E major chord. So a D major chord is going to be 4th string open, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, and 1st string 2nd fret. So again, that's 4th string open, then 3rd string 2nd fret. I'm using my index finger. Then I'm using my middle finger for the 2nd string 3rd fret. I'm using my middle finger for the 1st string 2nd fret. A 6th string open. And I'm using my middle finger for the 5th string 2nd fret, 5th string 2nd fret. And ring finger for the 4th string 2nd fret. And index finger for the 3rd string 1st fret. That gives us the major tone. Then we just strike all the strings. So going from a D major to and then it starts the next part. But we're just sticking with the intro right now. So let's try that again. This part. I just want to play this part over and over. Also, so you see in that time, I'm not really using palm mutes, but it's okay to use palm mutes on the 6th string when you're hitting the 6th string, and the difference would sound a little bit like this. So it gives you a much deeper feel, a much more metal feel. That's what we like to hear. So let's try it with the palm mutes. I'm mostly using the palm mutes on the 6th string, except for that last one. The last one I'm just kind of leaving open. But anytime I'm hitting the 6th string, I'm palm mute. Other than that. All right, guys, so that is the lesson for today. That is Crazy Train, the intro to Crazy Train. That's Randy Rhoads, Ozzy Osborne. What a band. So if you got any value from that, definitely leave a comment below. Let me know if you are ready for the next part of this song as well, because if I get enough responses, I will go ahead and do the next part of the song, and I'll even teach the solo. So drop down in the bottom. Let me know how you guys feel about this lesson, and if you got any value from it. So I hope to see you guys on the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep playing, keep rocking on, and I'll see you guys later.